Good morning! Sa mga naghihintay na matapos ng aming dream house, finally, eto na nga, ngayong araw ay ito-turn over na sa amin itong bahay. Kaya naman ngayong araw din, gusto na namin matulog ka agad dito. Sobrang excited namin sa araw na to dahil officially, natapos na nga ang aming dream house. Pero hindi pa ito yung house tour vlog ha. Tsaka ko na kayo ililibot ng detail. Noon na nga kami dumating dito ni yung kailangan. Imilis na. Mas Ah, Valentino di umano naman yung pagkatalino. Pero ni karon sa di pa sila na mag-unaw ng gabo. Ah, tapos ko ang sabi ko sa ng panting libre. Ang panting binutang na. Hindi sa way doon guys. Na kanatanan. Grocery, electronics, hardware, toys, mga gamit sa inyong bata. Ang sa pamayin yung payata, di anak dili tanan. Smagol, baka kay smagol. Upaw mo na lang yung pig. 119. O gusto ba ka sa nang arthritis ka? O ito naman. Kami ka panigin mong tiil, gataw ka nang na yung mga sakit, katal-katal. Lang sa bagay bangkid ka. 15 pesos only. Mas barato pa sa TikTok. Personal ka dito yung makitan. Hindi na nagkalit ko or sa mga alam mo sa beach. Barato ka tawag na rin. 159. Oh, ang palit ay baga. Hindi ko mamalik.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Oh, wait me ha. Okay, Lynn. How are you, Lynn? Okay, can you hear me, Lynn? Lynn, can you hear teacher? Wait me,
Yes,
Lynn, ha.
yes, teacher.
Wait me, just a minute. Okay, how are you? Okay, Lynn? Okay, can you hear me, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so today let us have, as what teacher and told you, we have to continue our topic about, okay, it's about intermediate. So since we are already intermediate, so we have to continue this one. Okay, so we have here the different vocabulary. Okay,
Technology.
technology, as you can see the pronunciations. Look at this.
Technology.
Technology. Okay, please read again, Lynn. Lynn, read.
Technology.
Technology. Hi, Lynn. Lynn, please read. Lynn, can you hear me? Okay, please read.
Technology.
Yeah, technology.
Savvy.
One.
Technology.
Okay, next one.
Savvy.
Savvy.
Forward.
Move forward.
Okay.
Install.
Install.
Rate.
Great. The technology, it's a scientific knowledge used in practical ways, like we have computer. Okay, nowadays we have machines, different machines that use or that makes us easier. Okay, so savvy, what do you mean? Having practical knowledge and understanding of something, having common sense. Okay, you have that having common sense. Forward, to send or pass goods or information to somebody. Okay, forward, move forward. Okay, install. What do you mean by install? It means you will gonna have to put a new program. You will gonna install. Okay, put a new program. Another one, we have rate. What do you mean by rate? To have or think that somebody or something has practical level of quality, value, etc. Okay? Okay.
Set up.
Set up, it means to create something or start it. Set up. Do you know the meaning of set up, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay. Another subscribe. Okay, this
Subscribe.
is common. Okay, it means to arrange to have regular access to an electronic information. Like you are gonna subscribe like this. Okay. Update. What is update? It means
Update.
to give somebody the most recent information. What is the update, teacher? Oh, the update is this one. Okay. Another we have
Upload.
upload to send data to another computer. You will gonna upload. Okay. Download is different. Upload is different. Okay. Now you have here, Lynn, how many of these things do you use computer or tablet for? And what else do you use them for? Okay, you can, okay, speak it up or you can write. Please study. How many of these things, Lynn, do you use a computer or tablet for? Okay, and what else do you use them for?
Five thing I use a computer, a tablet, and a tablet.
Hmm.
About six.
Okay, so please wait. Digital activities, and these are the digital activities.
Yes.
Okay, so here, okay, so do your homework, download music, follow people on Twitter, play games, read and write a blog, shop. Okay, how many of these things do you use a computer or tablet for?
I use for do my homework, download music, follow people, no, play game, and read or write a blog.
Okay. So do your homework. Okay, first. Okay, how many of these activity? Can you give me two activities
Well-
list that use computer? Many, right?
Yes.
All of them, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, you can do your homework. You can download music. You can you can follow people on Twitter. You can play games. You can read or write a blog, and you can shop. Okay, use social networking sites. Okay, these also use computer, right? So among all of these, Lynn, which are digital activities that you most likely do, that you use often, more often? Which one? That you use more often? Which one? Which digital devices that you mostly use often? Which one?
I think that uh like to use social networking site.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so here, ask and answer about the activity in exercise one. Use how often. Okay, example. Okay, do homework. How often do you do homework, Lynn? How often do you do homework?
Every day.
Okay, every day, right? Every day you do homework, right? How often do you download music? How often do you download music?
I think that maybe one a month,
Always or not always?
not always.
Okay. How often do you follow people on Twitter?
I don't use Twitter. Twitter.
Okay. How often do you play games?
Um, I think that every day too. No, maybe twice a
Okay.
week. Twice a week.
Okay. How often do you read and write blog?
Um, not always.
Okay. How often do you shop? Oh, this one, do you shop in the TikTok? Do you know TikTok?
Yes.
Ah, do you shop in the TikTok?
No, I use shopping.
Shopee. Oh, you shop in the Shopee?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you shop?
Like some like Lego or something like uh games, board game.
Ah, so I really don't know. There's Shopee also in Vietnam. Wow. Shein. Are you familiar with Shein and Lazada?
Yes, I know.
Okay. Okay. There's Shein, there's Lazada too. Okay. So how about using social networking sites like Facebook?
I think that's always.
Do you use Facebook? Do you have Facebook?
Yes.
Oh, you add me on Facebook. Okay, you can type your message here is my Facebook. You add me there.
But I don't know. I rarely use Facebook.
Ah, you rare only. Okay, so you're more on Zelo, right? You love Zelo.
Yes, and
Oh, okay, so this one. Okay, so now, Lynn, please try to write. These are computing verbs. Please try to write, Lynn, some of the computing verbs. Okay, in the blank. Okay, there are 12. So you have to write it out from the blank. Okay?
okay.
Okay, go, Lynn.
Để mở nhìn cho có chữ vướng hay không vướng.
Okay, Aileen. Aileen. Okay, are you done? Oh, is that your mom or your sister? Mm. Okay, please, you can chat if you cannot speak. Okay, just chat. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, Lynn? 7, Lagoon. Okay, almost done. Mhm.
sure I'm finished.
Okay, done? I finished, teacher. Okay, so here. Number one. Okay, we have here two. What? Let me see your answer. Upload. Okay, one word only. Upload. Okay, next one. Really, huh? Next one, you have use Google to what? Okay, search link within a specific website. So you have to use Google to search. Okay, next one, link for update. Okay, update your profile on a social networking site. And next, you have to okay, comment. Comment on and blank. It is rate. Comment on contributions on a social networking site. And next one, you have to set up a new email account. You have to set up a new email account. Okay, let me see your answer. Okay, rate. Okay, 7 set up. Log on. Yours is log on. Okay. Actually, you can also use log on to the new email account. You can use that one because you can, when you try to enter the email, you have to log on or log in. Okay. Next is log on to a Wi-Fi hotspot with your tablet or phone when you're away from home. Okay. Next one, install a Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay. Yeah, Lynn. You can also use install to a Wi-Fi hotspot or connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot with your tablet or phone. Okay. Next nine is subscribe. Okay, where is your number nine? It's not here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then 10, please try to forward text messages, Lynn. When you've received from one friend to another, you have to forward. 11.8, print a document directly from your phone. And last one, you have to install an app on your phone. You have to install an app on your phone. Okay? Okay, so here, answer the answer the quiz questions. Calculate your answer. How tech how tech savvy are you? How tech savvy are you? Please try to write. Okay, example. Okay, program a simple game. Okay, it's here. Wait, Okay, example here. Okay, wait me. I quite confused in here. Okay, so upload a video clip to YouTube. You can choose. One, I don't know what you're talking. No, I. So you have to choose one, two, three, four. And let us calculate your answer. How tech savvy are you? Okay, please try to use only one, two, three, four, Lin. Example, program a simple game. I don't know what you're talking about. You will number one. If you say, yes, I can do it, or no, I don't think, you will gonna put two. Okay, write the number. After that, in the chat box again. After that, we will compute how tech savvy are you.
Teacher, can you say again?
Okay, Lynn. So all you have to do is just you answer 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that one, so we will gonna compute how much is your score. Okay, Lynn? But Lynn, sorry, Teacher Anne has another class. Okay, like this. We will continue this, Lynn. We are not yet done. We are in task 4. And we will gonna compute this. So we will know how tech savvy are you. Okay? So but then I will see you on Sunday, right? Sunday. Am I correct, Lynn? Lynn, is Teacher Anne correct? I will see you on Sunday, right? Because Teacher Anne has another class. So I will see you on Sunday. Okay? Lynn, can you hear me? Lynn.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I will see you on Sunday because Teacher Anne has another class. I am so sorry.
Oh,
I have to end up this one. Okay? Okay, somebody is waiting me in the Zoom already. Okay, so please see me on Sunday 9 p.m. Right? Am I correct? 9 p.m.
okay.
Okay, bye bye, Lynn. Thank
Bye bye.
you.